Nest School System, Online Classes Session. Dear student, let's start today's lecture.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are in good health and enjoying at home. Please stay home and stay alive. I am your maths teacher. To facilitate you, our school management have decided to provide you online classes. Okay students, coming to your lecture. Open your book, page number 30. This is chapter number 4, addition of 4 digits numbers without carrying. In class 2, you have done addition of 2 and 3 digits, and now we will learn how to add 4 digits number. First of all, what is addition? Addition is the process to add 2 or more things of the same kind. And digits are the numbers of counting like 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. These are called digits. When we add some digits, we will write the digits according to their place value. That is ones, tens, hundreds and units. Then we add. We add ones with ones, tens with tens, hundreds with hundreds and so on. Now I give you example. First of all, we will write a place value column first of all. Then we place our digits according to their value. Ones in the column of ones, tens in the column of tens, 100 below 100, 4 below 1000 column. Then in the second amount also we place the digits according to their value. 2 below 5, 2 below 7, 4 below 3, 3 below 4. Now we will add. Simply we add 5 in 2. 5 in my mind. 5, 6, 7. We will write here 7. This is 7. 7 plus 2, they make 9. 3 plus 4, they make 7. 4 plus 3, they are also 7. We will write very neatly the digits box. In this way we will add without carrying addition questions. See on page number 31, part A. Statement is add the following numbers. First of all, we will mention date and day on the top of the page. Now I am doing question number 1 for you. We will add 1 and 5. They are 6. We will write here below one column. 5 and 0 are 5. 0 means nothing, right below the tens column. 2 and 4 are 6, right here in the hundreds column. 3 and 4 are 7, right in the thousand column below the digits. Students, in a week, we will 2 days do our copy work and 2 days our book work. Now I have done question number 1. You have to do question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on 11th June. This is your homework. See on the same page, this is question number 7. You will do question number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 on the next day on 12th June. Mention the date and day very neatly and properly on your book. Then you will write. That's all for the first lecture.
A message from teacher. Please read carefully. Dear students, please note your diary work. Thanks for watching. Take care.